about the antennas?
Mm-hmm. Nice.
I'll show you this blaster. Antenna blaster. It's the newest invention in the whole wide world.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Nothing.
This cord in it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, why so cool?
Yep. So cool.
Well, now when you stand up,
Oh, we got the little pieces.
whoa.
Can I have that? Give it to Mommy. Give it to Mommy.
You just look at this.
Give it to Mommy.
This is really cool, right, Mora?
Give it to Mommy first. Hey, thank you. Thank you.
Did you now know? No. You knocked down my tower. No, EJ.
Oh, whoops.
EJ, no! Yeah, have the car. Great, EJ, great. Now we built, and now we start all over again. You cannot play this ever again.
You saying hi? It's not phone, silly.
Nice.
What do you say? I didn't hear. He's saying he's doing the Lego like a phone. That's not a phone,
EJ, you
silly.
can never play with these toys again.
That's messed up my whole
Oh, that's kind of...
master.
Maybe you should give him some. Looks like you have all the Legos. Maybe that's the problem. Thank you.
You're funny,
He's trying to help you. Just let him hold it for a minute, honey.
Just trying to help.
He's trying to put it together.
This will be really cool right now.
Oh, you're so close, buddy. We need to get him the other blocks in the basement.
You need to get each blocks.
Yeah, he has some in the basement. Those are a little tricky for him.
Okay, you can get some blocks right now.
He's very determined, though. Oh, those are tricky, huh, bud?
Sure is.
That works. That's the way to play with them.